Welcome to my channel Gosia at Home Cooking. Today I'd like to show you how to make this delicious, crunchy Polish wheat heart rolls, and I hope you enjoy. For the simple rolls I need 6 cups of flour, 1 cup of warm water, 1 cup of warm milk, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon of dry yeast, 2 teaspoons of salt, and 1.5 teaspoon of sugar. That's all. Let's go start it. First step, I have to warm milk, flour, six cups. I make the space in the middle of my flour, dry yeast, salt, and sugar, warm water. Combine these ingredients and wait a few minutes to activate the yeast. And you can see the yeast is floaty. See the bubbles? I'm adding 1 cup of warm milk, now I'm adding soft butter, dough looks beautiful. Now we'll keep the dough in a warm place for about 2 hours. The dough rose double, you can see is soft. Okay, I'm ready to start make rolls. First, I knead dough. Divide in half. Be much easier to work with. A little flour. And each roll just make oval shape. Just roll like this and make oval shape. With the flour on the bottom. Very popular rolls in Poland. We call Bulki wrocławskie. The shape like oval. Okay, next step. I slash each roll in the middle like this. Wet flour and slash in the middle with the dough side. You can see I have different shapes because everybody likes different shapes, so I make different one. Usually I make more rolls and I put in a freezer for later on to enjoy. And always I have fresh rolls. And you can see it's very simple recipe. Perfect. Now cover and keep in a warm place for 1 hour. Oh, look at this rolls after 1 hour. Double size. Oven is 380 degrees. On the bottom of the oven I put pan with cup of water, Polish wheat rolls. The water on the bottom of oven will help to make a hard rolls, and I will bake for about 20 minutes. Homemade Polish hard rolls done. Look at this. Oh my god, look at the crust. Perfect. Oh, I'm ready to try. I have to wait a few more minutes. Look at this. Looks amazing. From this amount of dough I make 16 rolls. I'd like to show you the rolls. Open like this. Look at this. Wow, still hot. You can enjoy with butter or jelly, whatever you just prefer. The smell is so delicious. Look at this crunch. Hard stuff, perfect. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Please like, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified about my new video. I have so many delicious recipes on my channel. Be sure to check them out. Bye bye. Dziękuję bardzo. Smacznego.